Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I do my heatless curls and the process I do for air drying my naturally curly hair to make it smooth and frizz-free without using any heat. Now that might sound impossible if your hair is anything like mine. I have spent literally years trying to figure out how to dry my hair without heat and smooth without frizz. So when I do this routine, it will last me anywhere from 2 to sometimes even 5 days. So this is day 3 hair actually. So keep in mind my hair is probably different than your hair. Here's a picture of what my hair looks like when it's curly. So that's kind of how tight my curls are. And then if I don't style it, my hair is just frizzy, super puffy, and not smooth at all. So if you're interested in learning how I do this, keep watching. So first step, I start on clean, freshly washed hair, and I'll leave it in my little towel turban for about 10 minutes and then scrunch out all the extra water. Now I'm just gonna brush through my hair, get it all detangled. And I'm using the Fable & Mane hair oil. This is one of 2 products I use, and I use about 4 drops. And then I use a leave-in conditioner. Today I'm using the Briogeo leave-in conditioner. And I rake it through my hair and I kind of focus it on the back top section of my hair because that is the most frizzy. If you put too much near the front, it can tend to look greasy. I brush it through one more time just to distribute the product, and I get a nice crispy middle part going. You can do a side part if you want. And then I'm going to slick back my hair and really get it smooth and comb it a million times until I get it really nice and smooth. Just keep combing it and just kind of smoothing it with my hand. I'm gonna put it into a low bun. So just gonna tie it around. And then this next part, I kind of just flip it so that the ends stick out the top and make one little loop. And then just kind of spread the ends out over top of the loop. And that is my little hairstyle. And I'll wear this for about a day until my hair has dried. So this is like a nice little slick back hairdo that I like. This is what my hair looks like after it's been in there for quite some time. And it's still a tiny bit damp, which is totally fine. As long as the part that you smoothed out against your head is dry, it's actually not bad. And you can even let it air dry for half an hour or so. I'm gonna dampen it with this spray and give it a brush through. And then I'm gonna part my hair down the back. I'm gonna be using the Eternal Muse Heatless Curl Set. I really love this brand. They make their products with so much care and you can just really tell the quality. So then I'm starting my heatless curls, and it's important that you take sections all the way from the front to the back. So I'm gonna show you one more time here. So I go from the front all the way to the back, and that will just ensure that the back of your head has some curls as well, and that it's not just straight and the front is curly. And then I just continue it all the way down until I reach the bottom, and then secure it with a scrunchie. Moving on to the other side, I'm going to do the exact same thing, so taking sections all the way from the front to the back, twisting it around all the way to the bottom. Tie it off with my other scrunchie, and then I'm going to twist them around just once so that it kind of tightens them, and then I'm going to secure it with my claw clip in the back. And I will leave this in for actually only 2 to 3 hours. It does not take long at this point when your hair is already smooth. So this has been about only 2 hours actually. You'll see in a minute it holds very well. And if I need it to be a little bit more curly the next day, I will just do the same thing in the morning while I'm getting ready. I put it back in this thing, I dampen it slightly, and it only takes about 2 hours and it's back to being really pretty. So here it is, all taken out. Here's what it's looking like. I really hope this was helpful for you. If you have any questions at all, leave them down in the comments and I always reply. I would love it if you liked and subscribed, and I will see you in my next video.